Hey, what's up? It's your favorite chef, Chef Disaster 3.0, and you're in the kitchen with me again. And today, you know what we're having for dinner? We're gonna serve up something called the Italian stallion. This is a really good, delicious dish that I learned working from a true off-the-boat Italian back in Long Island in my younger days. But now, I just cook this type of stuff at home. Good old comfort Italian food. Let's go, spaghetti and chicken parmesan. It's gonna be delicious. Bon appetit. Let's go. Here it is. Just to show you what it looks like before we deconstruct it and put it back together like the Picasso it is. But just look at it. Delicious. Pasta's al dente. Sauce is delicious. The pasta starts out in, of course, hot boiling water and a little bit of oil, and seasoning your water with salt is a must. You know, as it's cooking, I'm checking the al dente of it with the spoon, making sure it's got the right firmness, not too soft and not too underdone neither. And plus letting that oil get in between the pasta so it doesn't stick together, and we'll have perfectly cooked pasta. There we go, look at it, it's beautiful. And now we're about done. See how it's moving? It's lost some of that dark color and it's fluent there. Yeah, I can tell this baby is done. So we're gonna start with the meat, the 3-meat spaghetti bolognese. So that's ground turkey, ground beef, and Italian sausage in there. Add my little seasoning to it, the usual suspects. Onion, garlic powder, salt, pepper, a little cayenne pepper, and some Italian seasoning. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna get this cooked up once it's seasoned. Gonna turn fire on, get the pan nice and hot. Don't move it too much. Let it get brown on one side, and then you start to break it apart and stir it up and get it all mixed and cooked through, As it cooks, look at it as it's picking up that flavor, all that flavor at the bottom of the pan. It's gonna be using that to pick up flavor with these fresh herbs and vegetables. We got onions, 3 different types of peppers, and some fresh garlic going into the pan with our 3 meats. And a little bit of Italian parsley. It wouldn't be the Italian stallion without the Italian parsley. Look at those beautiful Italian colors, the red, the green, the yellow. It really brings it back to when I did work at the five-star Italian restaurant back on Long Island. But yeah, again, just cooking for myself at home, getting some really good flavors in there. As the sausage cooks, the herbs and the vegetables pick up some of that flavor left behind by the 3 meat, and the meat is also picking up some of the flavor from the vegetables and garlic and the herbs that are put in there. Now we're gonna go with just a regular tomato sauce. No need to get crazy and fancy. We're at home, right out the jar, whichever one you like, you can go with that. But you do have to doctor it up. You know what I'm saying? So we do that. We put a little bit of water in the jar. We get the rest of the stuff that's left behind after pouring it out, and we get that mixed in with the 3 meats, the fresh herbs, and some water. As we let that simmer, let it cook down a little bit, we want to see some reduction. We're gonna add a little bit of sugar to this to take the acidity, not a whole bunch, just a little bit, just to take the acidity away, because we don't want it to be giving us heartburn when we eat this. We want it delicious. Then I'm gonna set up my breading station. Got that flour, egg, breadcrumb, and after I get the chicken dredged and breaded and beautiful looking, I'm getting it ready to go into a 360 degree, about a 1/2 inch pan of oil. You see, as I drop that in there, you see the oil is cooking. It's not gonna take that long. You don't wanna burn it, but you wanna give it a nice sear. You want it to pick up some crisp and plus cook some of those breadcrumbs. As I give it another flip, I flip this bad boy. Look how delicious it looks. That's what you want to see. You want to see some color all the way through. We're gonna cook it, but we're gonna leave a little bit of give so that when we top it with the cheese and stuff, we put it into the oven, we don't overcook it. Now as I layer it with this Parmesan cheese, as you can see, the first layer, Parmesan cheese, right on top of the cutlets. Then we're gonna add some of that fresh Italian blend cheese, a little Asiago, mozzarella, things like that, and some Parmesan in there. Some more Parmesan. It wouldn't be chicken Parmesan without the Parmesan. Look how beautiful that just looks. Now we're gonna go on top of it with some of that delicious 3 meat bolognese sauce that we cooked earlier. We're gonna put a good amount right on top of that. It helps the chicken from not drying out, and plus it gives it a nice, really big, bold flavor added to that chicken. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and put a nice amount on there, making it look all pretty and delicious. Look at it. Yeah, don't be stingy with it. Get it on there. The idea is to get full and eat good, you know? So as you can see, that's going. Some more Parmesan cheese right on top of that bad boy. Yeah, get a good amount on there. Just turn it around. You see it? You see it? Okay. Tell me that's not pretty. Then we're going to put some of that Italian parsley right on top of it. Yeah. You see it? It might not look like much now. I eat that right now, but you'll see when it's done. You'll see the finished product. So I put a well of spaghetti. And I put some of that delicious 3-meat spaghetti sauce with a little bit of the Parmesan cheese right there on top of it. And look at that bad boy with some pickled tomatoes. And look at that, ain't it pretty? Look at my Picasso. The plate is my canvas. The food is my paint. Look how beautiful the colors is. Does this say, Mamma Mia? Let me know. Hit that comment section and tell me how good does this look. Did I do a good job or no? Look at it. Delicious. Yes, let's go in one more time. A nest of spaghetti. Delicious, crispy, flavorful chicken parmesan from your boy, Chef Disaster. Look at that. I'm going to give you the drone view of it. You see it? Look how pretty that look. Bringing it to your table with the nice artisan bread. We got the ciabatta. And then we got the multi-grain Italian roll. Bada boom, bada bing. The Italian stallion, baby. Let's go. I know you like what you see. Look at that. Does it make you feel like you're back in Sicily? A Sicilia. A Mamma Mia. It's your boy, Chef Disaster. Peace of love, spread love, not hate. I'm out. Thanks for watching.